If your eyeliner disappears into your crease, smudges by midday, or feels impossible to get right on mature or hooded eyes, this video is for you. Today I am showing you 3 eyeliner tricks that create a lifted, polished look in minutes. I learned these techniques from years in the beauty industry, and I am starting with the easiest one first. These are game changers, and by the end of this video, your eyes are going to become your favorite feature again. Let us get straight into it. Welcome back to Golden Chic Life, beautiful. Where in the world are you watching from today? Drop your city or country in the comments. I love connecting with our global community. Now, before we dive into tips, I want you to understand something that changes everything. Mature and hooded eyes are not a problem that needs fixing. They are simply eyes that respond differently to makeup application. What worked beautifully at 30 often fails completely at 60. Not because your skills have diminished, but because your eye shape has naturally evolved. The lid space has changed. The skin has more lovely texture. The fold sits differently than it used to. And those eyeliner techniques we learned decades ago, they were designed for taut, flat lids with acres of visible space. That is not our reality anymore, and that is perfectly fine. Because today, we are working with your eyes exactly as they are. Not fighting them, not wishing they were different, celebrating them, and using techniques specifically designed to make them look absolutely stunning. These 3 methods I am sharing today are the ones professional makeup artists use on mature clients. The ones that actually work. The ones that stay put, look polished, and take minutes instead of frustrating hours. So if this sounds like exactly what you have been searching for, go ahead and hit that like button right now. And make sure you subscribe to Golden Chic Life for weekly beauty guidance that honors your beauty at every age. Ready? Let's start with the technique that most women have never tried and instantly wish they had discovered 30 years earlier. Technique 1. Tightlining. The most natural and elegant method, tightlining, is genuinely the most effective eyeliner method for mature and hooded eyes. And once you try it, you will wonder why nobody taught you this decades ago. Here is what it is. Instead of drawing liner on top of your lid where it can disappear into the crease or smudge, you press the product directly into the root of your upper lashes. Right at the lash line itself. You are filling in the space between the lashes rather than drawing a line above them. The result? It looks like you have fuller, thicker, and more defined lashes rather than a visible line of eyeliner. It is the difference between looking made up and looking beautifully, naturally awake. Now here is why this works so brilliantly for mature and hooded eyes. When your lid has a heavier fold, or when the hooded lid covers more of your eyelid space, any liner drawn on the lid surface tends to disappear under the fold. It simply gets hidden the moment you open your eyes fully. But tightlining lives at the lash root, below the fold. So it stays visible, it stays put, and it stays polished all day without smudging or transferring into your crease. This is the method I reach for on days when I want to look put together, without looking like I am wearing obvious makeup. It is elegant, it is subtle, and it is surprisingly easy once you understand the technique. Here is what you need. A flat eyeliner brush. This is a small, firm, angled or flat brush that can press product into tight spaces. You probably already own one in your makeup collection. And you need a creamy gel liner or a kohl pencil that is soft enough to press into the lash base without dragging or pulling at your delicate eyelid skin. A hard, dry pencil will not work for this technique. You need something with a soft, slightly creamy texture that glides easily. Now, here is the technique. And this positioning tip is everything. Position a mirror below eye level. Below your face, not directly in front of it. Tilt your chin slightly downward so you are looking down into the mirror. This angle exposes the upper lash line in a way that a straight-ahead mirror simply does not. You will suddenly see the lash root clearly for the first time. With your free hand, use one finger to very gently lift the eyelid upward, just enough to expose the very base of the lashes. You are not pulling, just a gentle, soft lift. This gives you access to the lash root without distorting or stretching the delicate eye area. Now take your liner, either pressed onto the flat brush or the pencil itself if it is soft enough, and press it into the lash line with small, short wiggling motions. Press and wiggle. Press and wiggle. You are filling the base of the lashes from the inner corner outward, working in tiny sections. Go over it twice if you want more depth and definition. Build it up gradually, rather than trying to get it perfect in one pass. What you will see when you release your lid and look straight into the mirror. Your lashes appear instantly thicker. Your eyes look more defined and awake. And the overall effect is one of natural, effortless elegance. There is no visible line of liner sitting on your lid. Just beautifully defined, fuller-looking lashes that create instant lift and openness to the eye. This is the technique to reach for when you want to look polished without looking done up. Morning coffee with friends, a lunch date, a quiet dinner, a day of running errands but still wanting to look like yourself, just better. Tightlining gives you that finished, awake, pulled together quality that is always appropriate and never overdone. And here is the beautiful part. Once you master this, it takes less than 2 minutes. Truly, this becomes one of the fastest, most reliable techniques in your entire beauty routine. Technique 2. Top lash definition, clean, modern, and simpler than you think now. For women who want slightly more visible definition, a look that clearly says, I did my eye makeup today, rather than I just enhanced my natural lashes, this second technique gives you exactly that without demanding perfect precision or a completely steady hand. You are going to use a liquid liner or, even better, a felt tip liner pen. The felt tip pen is particularly good for this, because it gives you wonderful control, without needing the steadiness required for a traditional pot and brush liquid liner. If you have never tried a felt tip liner pen, this technique is genuinely the best reason to start. It is a game changer for mature hands that might not be quite as steady as they once were. The goal here is to lay the liner as close to the lashes as humanly possible, not above the lashes floating on the eyelid, not in some vague area near the lashes. Right at the lash line, touching the actual base of the lashes. Think of it as drawing along the very edge of the lash root, rather than drawing a separate line on the lid above them. Here is the positioning secret again, and it is the same one that made tightlining so much easier. Lift your chin. Look down into a mirror positioned below eye level. With your non-dominant hand, very gently lift the lid slightly, just as you did for tightlining. This exposes the lash line beautifully and gives you a clear, relatively flat surface to work with. Suddenly, what felt impossible at a straight-on angle becomes surprisingly manageable. Now draw a thin, controlled line directly at the lash base. Keep the line thin, particularly in the center of the eye and the inner corner. You can allow a very subtle, gentle thickening toward the outer corner if you want a bit more definition there. But the line should always remain close to the lashes. Here is the critical mistake to avoid. Never draw a floating line above the lash line on a hooded or mature eye. When the lid folds down naturally, that floating line becomes a smeared crease rather than a crisp eyeliner. It looks messy instead of polished. Work in small strokes rather than trying to create one long sweeping line. Work from the inner corner outward in short, deliberate sections. Connect them as you go. If your hand is not perfectly steady, that is completely fine. The lashes themselves will actually absorb and hide slight imperfections. Nobody will notice tiny wobbles when the line is sitting right at the lash base. The result? A clean, defined, modern eye that looks intentional and polished. Your lashes look noticeably fuller. Your eye looks more awake and alert. The definition is visible and beautiful, but never heavy or harsh. And because the liner is sitting at the lash root, rather than floating on the lid, it stays exactly where you put it. No transferring into the crease, no smudging by afternoon. It simply stays put and looks fresh all day. This is your everyday definition look. Quick, clean, completely wearable for any occasion. It takes your face from bare to polished in under 5 minutes. And once you have practiced this a few times, you will find your own rhythm and speed. It becomes second nature. Technique 3. The soft cat eye cheat. Your lifted glam moment now for the transformation. the technique that creates drama, lift, and absolute glamour. This is the look most women assume requires a perfectly steady hand, years of practice, and the kind of cooperative eye shape that most of us simply do not have. But here is the secret. It requires none of those things. Because we are not drawing a cat eye with liner, we are building one with eyeshadow, and tape does all the precision work for you. Let me explain exactly how this works. Because once you see how simple this is, you are going to use this technique for every special occasion from now on. You will need a small piece of tape. Medical tape or the low-tack paper tape from a craft store are ideal because they are gentle on mature, delicate skin. Do not use regular strong adhesive tape. It is too harsh. Before you apply the tape anywhere near your eye, press it onto the back of your hand 2 or 3 times first. This removes most of the stickiness and makes it gentle enough to use safely on the delicate skin around your eyes. Now, hold the tape against your face without sticking it down yet. You want to angle it from just below the outer corner of your eye, pointing upward toward the tail of your eyebrow. The angle of the tape creates the angle of your cat eye shape, so take a moment to position it thoughtfully. You want it pointing toward the end of your brow, not downward toward your cheeky bone. A downward angle will shorten and drag down the eye. An upward angle lifts it beautifully. That is the entire secret to a flattering cat eye on mature eyes. The angle. Once you are happy with the angle and the placement, press the tape gently into place. It should feel secure but not tight or pulling. Now you are going to build the shadow cat eye using 3 eyeshadow shades. You need a light color, a medium color, and a deeper, smokier shade. You can use browns and taupes for a classic neutral look, or any color palette you love. This technique works equally beautifully in warm tones, cool tones, jewel tones, whatever speaks to you. Start by applying the light shade across the entire eyelid as your base. This creates an even canvas. Then apply the medium shade through your natural crease and just above where the tape line sits, blending it upward and outward gently. Now take the deeper shade. This is where the magic happens. Apply it directly above the tape line, pressing it at the outer corner and blending upward and outward, following the angle the tape is creating for you. Use a fluffy blending brush and blend. The softness and beauty of this look is entirely in the blending. Blend until there are no harsh lines, only beautiful gradient transitions. The tape is creating a clean, sharp outer boundary for your shadow. Everything above the tape becomes your lifted wing shape. Everything below the tape stays clean and defined. When the shadow is built and blended to your complete satisfaction, peel the tape away slowly and carefully. Angle it back toward your temple rather than pulling it straight down toward your eye. This protects the delicate skin. The tape removal reveals a clean, lifted, absolutely stunning outer edge to the shadow that you genuinely could not have achieved freehand with the same ease or precision. What you are left with is a soft, smoky, completely lifted cat eye shape that required no liquid liner skills whatsoever. Just layering, blending, and letting the tape do the precision work. This is your special occasion look, your date night look, your I want to feel absolutely gorgeous look. Clean up and finish. Before you do anything else, and this step is critical, use a small flat brush or a clean cotton swab to sweep away any eyeshadow that has fallen beneath the eye during application. Eyeshadow fallout under the eye will make everything look heavier, older, and more tired. Removing it before you apply concealer or foundation underneath the eye is the step most women skip and most regret later. Here is a professional trick. Work on your eyes first, before foundation and concealer, then clean up any fallout, then apply your base makeup. This gives you significantly more control and a much cleaner finish. Apply your concealer and foundation after the eye work is complete. Set the under eye area with a light dusting of translucent powder to prevent creasing throughout the day. Now finish the entire look with a touch of soft definition along the lower lash line. Take a soft brown or taupe pencil and draw it very gently along the lower lash waterline, then smudge it slightly with your finger or a small brush. This adds beautiful balance and makes the upper eye work feel complete and harmonious. but avoid drawing a hard, harsh line along the lower lash. A soft smudge definition is always more flattering on mature eyes than a sharp lower line. 3 methods. 1 lifted eye, so there you have it. Beautiful. 3 completely different eyeliner techniques, each one designed specifically for mature and hooded eyes. Tightlining, the most natural, effortless method. It fills the lash root for thicker, fuller-looking lashes with no visible liner sitting on your lid. Perfect for everyday elegance when you want to look polished without looking made up. Liquid liner definition, the clean, modern method. A thin, controlled line laid right at the lash base creates a polished, defined eye that holds all day without smudging or disappearing into your crease. The shadow cat eye, the soft glam method. Tape-guided shadow building that creates a lifted, dramatic cat eye effect on any hooded or mature eye without requiring perfect liner skills or a completely steady hand. Each one works beautifully on its own. And once you have mastered all 3, you can layer and combine them for any occasion, any level of polish, any mood you want to convey. Your eyes are not difficult. They are simply different than they used to be. And different is not a problem. Different is an opportunity to learn techniques that actually work instead of fighting with methods that no longer serve you. Closing now, I want to hear from you. Which of these 3 techniques are you trying first? Tightlining for natural definition? The liquid liner for everyday polish? Or the shadow cat eye for your next special occasion? Drop it in the comments because I read every single one, and I genuinely love knowing which methods are resonating most with this beautiful community. If today gave you something useful, something you can actually use tomorrow morning, please give this video a like right now. It helps more women discover these techniques. And make sure you subscribe to Golden Chic Life and turn on that notification bell. Because next, we are going even deeper into makeup techniques specifically designed for mature and hooded eyes. Foundation, concealer, eyeshadow placement, all of it. And trust me, it only gets better from here. Mature eyes are not a challenge to overcome, they are a canvas to celebrate. And with the right techniques, they become one of the most beautiful, expressive, captivating features you possess. Thank you so much for being here today. Until next time, keep living your golden chick life. Stay confident, stay beautiful, and never stop shining. I will see you in the next one.